Hello, in this video I will show you how to write numbers in circle in Microsoft Word document. Like this one I have highlighted here. For this what you have to do is you need to click on the insert in the menu bar and on the right side go to the symbol and click more symbols. Here you need to select the font which is Wingdings and here you can see that the circle number symbol is here. Just select it and insert it and close. And here you can change the color. If you want to write 2, then again insert, click on insert and go to the symbol and then more symbol and again select the found wingdings and click on the 2. Insert and then click on 3, insert, click 4, insert, 5, insert, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you want to insert border symbol, then click on that and you will see that all symbols are inserted and then close it. Here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. So I hope this video helps you to understand how to write numbers in the circle in Microsoft Word document. So if you think the video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.